Life is hard. Don't let it get you down. Just hold on till you turn
Hey,
it
thanks for checking
around.
this out. My name's Mike Hills, Hills Law Office. We're here to talk about driver's license restoration a little bit and an interesting case that Trevor had. But first I wanted to recognize that a lot of clients come to us for driver's license restoration, and when we get their license back, we celebrate that. And we celebrate it because it represents freedom and liberty, which is what we're all about. And we know it's very important to our client, not because of that little piece of plastic that says you have a driver's license, but because of what it represents. It does represent freedom to work, freedom to take your kids to their activities, freedom to purchase a car, freedom to purchase insurance, and drive around the country without looking over your shoulder, wondering if that cop is going to pull you over because you don't have a license.
How are you supposed to get by without a driver's license?
You can't get by without a driver's license. So anyway, we wanted to celebrate. We can't celebrate every driver's license restoration we get, but this one was a bit unusual, so I wanted to celebrate it a little bit with you. And let me set the stage, if I can, for Trevor. Somebody comes to us, they engage us to help them get their driver's license back. We go through all the paperwork, get that all sorted, get that into the Secretary of State. Then we prepare our client to go to the hearing. We have a hearing. The hearing officer gives us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Most of the time we get a thumbs up. We're not used to thumbs down, which actually happened in this case. But that's not the end of the story. Trevor would not let it go. So what happened?
Well, we liked our case, and despite the client's best efforts and my best efforts, sometimes the discretion of the Secretary of State hearing officer, either because they're overworked or underpaid or just didn't like the tie that I was wearing that day, they ruled against us. We had to wait 60 days to get that unfavorable ruling in the mail, and I was not pleased. We filed an appeal in the circuit court in the county that the client resided in, had to wait 21 more days for a hearing, but went in and convinced that circuit court judge of our basis for sobriety and responsibility, and this client deserved to get his driver's license back. So we went to court and convinced the judge of that, and he walked out of there that day with an order from the circuit court judge compelling the Secretary of State to reinstate his driving privileges in full.
Did he walk out of the court with a smile?
He was thrilled. I think he was equally as surprised as he was happy, because after going through that and doing everything that we ask of you, it was a long process to get the appeal in, to prep for the hearing, to go to the hearing, and then to still get that thumbs down. He was a little defeated at first, but we didn't give up.
Awesome. Great. Stay free.
'Cause in a little while, things will get back to being good. Just hold